Good morning, students. Last class we had discussed about alkenes and alkanes. Today topic alkynes. Okay, alkynes. These alkynes is unsaturated hydrocarbons because just like it's contain triple bond compounds. Okay, alkynes contain triple bond compounds. What is the first point? CnH2n minus 2 formula of compounds. CnH2n minus 2 formula of compounds is called alkynes. So, overall, alkynes contain triple bond and these alkynes contain ine order, alkyne. Okay, alkyne, alkanes inward, alkenes inward, alkynes inward. Okay, so they are all unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so alkynes is unsaturated hydrocarbons because just like these unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkynes contain triple bond. Okay, triple bond. So overall, CnH2n minus 2 formula of compounds is called alkynes, triple bond. It's contain ine water. Okay, so overall, what are alkynes? What is the examples of alkynes? Suppose for example, we have substitute N is equal 2 in this formula. Suppose C2H2. C2 N is equal to H 2 to the 4 minus 2 H2 C2H2. So it is a ethyne, alkyne. So two carbons, that is ether, already we know that. So C2H2 ethyne. It is also called acetylene. Okay, what is the formula of acetylene? C2H2. Okay. Suppose, so we write N is equal 3, that time C3, 2 3 ja, 6 minus 2. So overall C3H4. Okay, so 2 3 ja, 6 minus 2. So how much? 4. C3H4. So how many carbons? 3 carbons. That time we call propene. Okay, so it is a propyne. Or suppose N is equal, we have substitute N is equal 4, that time we write C4H 2 4 8 minus 2, so C4H6. Okay, C4H6. So how many carbons? 4 carbons. We are called butane. So that time butane. Okay, butane. Next, so suppose we have substitute N is equal 5. That time C5H 2 5 are 10 minus 2. So H8. C5H8. So how many carbons? 5 carbons. We are called penta. 5 carbons is penta. So pentyne. Or suppose C6H10. C6 N is equal to 6 and H2 6 12 minus 2 H10. So overall hexane. Or suppose we have substitute N is equal to 7. So C7 H12. 2 7 14 minus 2 12. C7 H12. So here 7 carbons were called hepto order. Heptine. Okay, overall alkyne. Ethyne, alkyne. Profine, butane, alkyne. Okay, suppose C8. So 2H 16 minus 2. So we write 14. C8H14. So we are called octine. Okay, octine. They are all one of the best examples of alkynes. Okay, listen. So C2H2. Ethyne, it is also called acetylene. C3H4. Profine. C4H6. Butane. C5H8. Pentane. C6H10. Hexane. C7H12. Heptine. C8H14. Octine. Okay, so they are all one of the best examples of alkynes. So what is the structure of alkynes? So structure of alkynes. Overall alkynes must contain triple bond. Already we know that. First we write C2H2. So C2H2 is the ethyne or acetylene. Okay, ethyne or acetylene. Suppose, so here how many carbons? 2 carbons. First we write carbon. So carbon bond carbon. But alkynes must contain triple bond. So that time we write triple bond. So each carbon must contain how many bonds? 4 bonds. Suppose we are taking this carbon. This carbon contain 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. Remaining 1. So 1. As this carbon also contain how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1 bond. Okay, we have arranged the hydrogens. So how many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. That time H. Okay, it is a structure of acetylene or ethyne. Suppose we write a CH, C bond H or CH triple bond CH. Okay, CH triple bond CH. It is also structure of acetylene or ethyne. Okay, so we write another structure. Suppose for example, so C5H8. C5H8 is the pentine. Okay, so CnH H2N minus 2, just like a C5, H8. How many carbons? So it is 5 carbons. First we write the carbons. Carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we write the triple bond any place. Suppose for example we write this place. So we have arranged the hydrogens. Suppose each carbon must contain how many bonds? So 4 bonds. This carbon contain only 1 bond, single bond. So remaining 3 bonds. So bond, bond, bond. Suppose this carbon already 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is fulfilled. Okay, the 4 bonds. Suppose for example you are taking this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is also fulfilled 4 bonds. We have taken this carbon. So how many bonds? 1, 2. Remaining 2 bonds. So that time bond, bond. Okay. So this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bonds. So this carbon is contain only single bond. We write remaining, arrange the 3 bonds. That is 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we are arrange the hydrogen. Suppose bond H, bond H, bond H. Next bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Suppose carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, we write CH3. Okay, carbon attached with how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens, we write CH3. So bond, carbon, triple bond, carbon, bond, CH2. How many carbon? How many hydrogens? 2 hydrogens. So that time we write CH2. Okay, CH2. Next further, carbon attached with the 3 hydrogens, we write CH3. So total, listen, how many hydrogens? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 hydrogens. Okay, suppose we have taken another C7. C7 means just like hept or heptine. Okay, so overall 2 7 14 minus 2, 12. So C7 H12. It is heptine. So how many carbon? 7 carbons. First we write carbon, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 carbons. So we write the triple bond any place. Okay. Suppose for example this place or middle place or last place. Okay, any place. So first we write the triple bond. So we arrange the hydrogens. Already we know that each carbon contain total 4 bonds. That is a carbon. This carbon 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds. Remaining 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this carbon, so it is fulfilled. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this carbon 1, 2. 2 bonds. Remaining 2 bonds. So bond, bond. Suppose this carbon, it is also attached with 2 bonds. Remaining bond, bond. So this carbon also bond, 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 bond. But last carbon contains only single bond. Only single bond. So that time we have needed a bond, bond, bond. How many bonds? 3 bonds. Okay, that is the last carbon contain only single bond. We have needed the remaining 3 bonds. We have arranged the hydrogens. Listen, bond H, bond H, and next bond H, bond H, next bond H, 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 bond H. So how many hydrogens total? 12 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 hydrogens. That is the structure of heptane. We will write another structure also, heptane. Suppose we have changed the triple bond from one place to another place. Okay, first we write the carbons, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon bond, carbon. So how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 carbons. C7H12. So overall, in this structure, we write the triple bond first place. Okay, starting. Suppose we write middle place, suppose this place or this place. Okay, we write this place. So, now we are arrange the hydrogens. Each carbon must contain 4 bonds. Suppose this carbon contain single bond. Remaining we have required 3 bonds. Bond, bond, bond. Suppose we have taken second carbon. This second carbon contain 2 bonds. Remaining 2. And it is also 1, 1. So remaining 2. Suppose we have taken this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. It is fulfilled. Next, this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. So it is also fulfilled. Suppose we have taken this carbon 1, 2, 2 bonds. Okay, 1, 2, 2 bonds. Remaining bond, bond. So total 4 bonds. We have taken last carbon, is contained only single bond, remaining 3 bonds. So we have arranged the hydrogens. Suppose bond H, bond H, bond H. Next bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. So next bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H, bond H. Okay, so total how many hydrogens? 12 hydrogens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 hydrogens. Listen, so carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, we write CH3. Okay, this carbon attached with 3 hydrogens, we write CH3. Next further, second carbon attached with 2 hydrogens, we write CH2. So third carbon also CH2, but fourth carbon only carbon, triple bond carbon. Bond carbon, triple bond carbon. Next bond CH2, CH2, bond CH2. So it is also structure of heptane. Okay, so we have changed the place of triple bond. Okay, any place, we have changed any place. Suppose this place or this place, any place, we write the triple bond. Further, we have arranged the hydrogens. Okay, so it is the structure of heptane. Okay, so further we are discuss about functional groups. Okay, done.